Hello ladies, welcome to my channel. I'm Vili, face yoga teacher. Today I'm going to show you briefly one my purchase that I made several months ago, and I'm happy with that. Um, Actually, that's a mask for the uh, face with a red light. Um, Let me show you the mask. Uh, and briefly, I'm going to introduce the red light benefits for the face, primarily related to collagen production, reducing inflammatory and improving the skin tones. Also can help reduce the appearing of the wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, while addressing actually also for the acne, rosacea, and eczema. Very important is when you use the mask to uh, use with the clean face and dry skin because the mask can the light can be well absorbing for the skin because the uh, mask can dry out the skin after the usage. Please use your moisturizing. Let me show you the mask how can stay. Could be red line, blue, that is very good for the acne situation. um, could be ultra red, and again you can choose which one, red, blue, ultra red, and the mask go off automatically after 10 minutes. I bought also additional uh, for the eyes um, presentation like that because the mask has some precautions you can see, but additional precautions is also benefits. So I can use that mask several times per week, let's say 2-3 times, just uh, evening when I have time, or in the morning on the very clean skin. I do hope that this information is helping you. Later on, I'll put in the comment where I purchase this mask, the other places that you can find, and also some information for the red line if you need to read it. Thank you for being here. Wish you a pleasant day and be healthy, be beautiful, and see you next time. Bye.